Right, 2008 Hyundai Santafe. We have a code. It's P0105. Already? Alright, so today's task we will be replacing the map sensor. Map sensor is located right here. That's the map sensor. Okay. We're ready to remove the bolts. Alright, here is the map sensor. Alright, I got the new one in. Just need to put the bolts. Alright, and then we gotta plug this back in. There you go. That completes our installation on the map sensor. Alright, it works great. No more hesitation. Alright, so we call that fixed, and thank you for watching my video.